This is Nairobi. She's my English Angora. I got her around a month back, and the reason I'm making this video because it's my first ever rabbit pet, And the thing is, because of the lockdown now, and the person I got Nairobi from, uh, I had paid for around 30 kgs of food, but because of the lockdown, the food did not come. So I didn't know too much about feeding rabbits and stuff. I just, I saw her. I was so excited. I called her. But now I realize I'm learning. I'm learning the process, what to feed them, what not to. And the moment she came, I was totally in love with her. And the reason I'm making this vlog because 5 days back, Nairobi had stopped eating and stopped drinking, and I could not figure out why. And I was so stressed out. So one night, I just did research for a couple of hours, and I read online that it's very fatal for a rabbit not to eat or drink, and if they get dehydrated, it can be really harmful. So somewhere I read online that it's if you force feed them and try to keep them hydrated, it's okay. So I got a syringe from the chemist and I got this ORS powder, और फिर मैं उसका घोल बना के इसको फीड करते रही पानी पानी पानी. She was not taking it, and literally I shoved it in her mouth. I was so scared, and the next day I ran to the vet in the morning. Somehow I managed to find a vet, and it was a Sunday, so I went and checked. She had a temperature of 106 point something, and the vet was shocked, and I was also shocked because I was touching her ears and it was cold. Because she's and I could not make out she has fever. But then the assistant was there and she gave her a couple of shots, and she gave me some tablet for some syrup for gas, and I got her back, and at least I was relieved. I know what's wrong with her, but still I continuously kept on feeding her. I was force feeding her with the syringe. I made wheatgrass ka juice in the mixer, and then somehow I was just putting the liquid in her body. because I was very scared. 2 दिन मैं उठा ही नहीं हूँ इसके पास से, मतलब 2 दिन 8-8 घंटे इसको बैठ के खाली फीड किया हूँ. फिर वापस मैं जब वीकडे पे वेट के पास गया, जो मेन डॉक्टर वो आया था, तो उसने इसको चेक किया और इसका बोला कि इसका अपर दांत बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रो हो गया है. तो रैबिट्स को क्या पता है, ये लोग हे इनको ज़्यादा देना चाहिए, और हे तिमेती हे इंडिया में मिलता नहीं है, और मुझे भी इतना आइडिया नहीं था ये सब चीज़ का. तो टिमिटी है मैं ढूंढ ढूंढ के थक गया. ऑनलाइन मिल रहे हैं एंड डिलीवरी शट डाउन. So then finally I said that I used to have horses once upon a time, so I used to give them that लसन घास. इंडिया में अपने लसन घास बहुत बिकती है, तो घोड़े बकरे और गाय भैंस सबके लिए बहुत खरीदते हैं. तो यहाँ एक लोकल आदमी आता है पूना में हमारे एरिया में टेम्पो लेके, तो मैं उसके पास गया. So somewhere I read that lucerne grass is also good. So I tried to connect the dots and I said maybe, मैं उसको पूछा इंग्लिश में इसको क्या बोलते, तो he said me lucerne. Then I found out online that alfalfa grass is also okay for baby rabbit, but she's I think across 6 months because very high in protein. The alfalfa ढूंढ रहा हूँ, बाद में मुझे पता चला कि ये लहसुन ग्रास ही इंग्लिश में अल्फाफा है. तो ये बहुत बड़ा कंफ्यूजन जो होता है, एनीवन हु हैज रैबिट्स एंड हु आर गेटिंग कंफ्यूज. सो देन आई फिगर्ड हाउ टू मेक हे. सो टुडे आई हैड ऑर्डर्ड विद दैट गाय अराउंड 20 kilos ऑफ दैट ग्रास, और वो ला के, बिकॉज आई हैव 3 रैबिट्स, ला के आज उसको पूरा दिन में बैठ के काटा हूँ. काट कूट के उसको छोटे टुकड़े किया, और मेरी बिल्डिंग के टेरेस पे जाके बहुत कपड़े चादर वदर बिछा के मैंने उसको सुखाने रख दिया है. तो फिर मैंने वो लहसुन घास मंगाई 30 किलो, और आज अक्खा दिन बैठ के उसको चॉप किया. व्हाट आई डिड, बिकॉज आई रेड ऑनलाइन, सो अब उसमें सिर्फ 25 से 15% मॉइस्चर होना चाहिए मैक्सिमम. इट शुड बी ब्राउनिश एंड वेरी लाइट ग्रीन. सो द रीजन आई एम डूइंग दिस इज बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई नीड टू गेट हे फॉर देम. बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट. आई ट्राइड इंडिया मार्ट, आई ट्राइड एवरीवेयर. Amazon is not delivering, Flipkart is not delivering. So finally I said I have to do something. So this is ये घर की रेमेडी मैंने किया है. और दूसरा रीज़न ये है कि अभी बारिश आने वाली है, और फिर बारिश में हे के लिए बहुत तकलीफ हो जाएगा. तो मैं lot of people are into rabbits in Pakistan. So I saw a lot of YouTube videos of Pakistani people, how they feed the rabbits and all that stuff. So I've been actually going mad, because मैंने खाना ऑर्डर किया था इसका जिधर से लिया था. I paid him for 30 kilos of those rabbit pellets. बट उसने रैबिट्स भेज दिया मुझे, लेकिन पैलेट्स भूल गया. अब मैं उसके पीछे पड़ा हूँ कि भाई प्लीज भेज दे. मैं परेशान हूँ. आई डोंट नो व्हाट एल्स टू फीड देम बिकॉज आई हर्ड इंग्लिश अंगोराज नीड दोज पैलेट्स. Wherever I read, they need pellets. But more than pellet is important after research is hay for them. So अभी मैंने hay तो डाल दिया टेरेस पे सुखाने. अब 2 दिन सूखेगी और अगर मैं सक्सेसफुल हुआ तो मेरी hay बन जाएगी घर में. और मेरे हिसाब से अगर वो परफेक्ट बन गई तो मेरे बारिश का सीजन तो शॉर्ट हो जाएगा. So this has been a learning process, struggle learning, and we have all the free time right now. And because of the lockdown, we are in the house. Plus, it's the month of Ramadan for us, so we have nothing much to do. We're just praying and we are in the house. And I have all my animals. I told you all in my earlier video, my house is like a farm. I love animals. It's been my passion from childhood. And finally, I'm able to do this at this point of my life. I have the space, I have the infrastructure for them, and I'm just very glad I'm doing this. Because it's the best feeling. Coming back to the point is, I've been force feeding this girl non-stop, and she is much better, and I finally got her teeth trimmed. रैबिट्स का ये भी एक होता है कि दांत अगर बहुत बढ़ जाते हैं और इनको हे डाइट नहीं मिलती है, क्योंकि हे हेल्प्स टू ग्राइंड द टीथ, इट ट्रिम्स. तो दैट वाज वन ऑफ द रीजन शी हैड स्टॉप ईटिंग. सो इज द फीवर ऑल्सो एंड प्लस द teeth which had grown. So we trimmed the teeth up. उसने ग्राइंडर से काट दिया दांत. And it's been 2 days and she's much relieved now. She's feeling better and she started trying to eat now. I think she's still in pain. So I'm still feeding her with this paste. I'm using little carrot, celery, mint, wheatgrass. I'm blending it and making it very fine paste in the mixer, and then I'm giving her through the syringe. I've been doing this last 4-5 days, and her medicines also. So she's now taking it, and she's bit me a couple of times, but now she knows that I'm feeding her, so she's fine with it. And she's been with me on the bed non-stop. And one more thing about Angora rabbits is very amazing, which I found, because I had rabbits before when I was a child. They used to smell a lot. So these rabbits, they don't smell, and they are so furry. This girl, when she came, she was this big. Angora rabbits, you have to remove their wool. They don't have fur. This is wool. So this wool is also used for a lot of products. Like जैसा पश्मीना शाल बनती है हमारी शीप्स की, कश्मीरी शीप्स की, जो अंगूठी से निकल जाती है, तो सेम ये अंगोरा रैबिट्स का वुल भी वैसा यूज होता है. तो इसकी मैंने वुल निकाल. सो दिस इज द वुल. नैरोबी वेट. दिस इज all the wool I have chopped out of her. When she came, she was this big. But it's not good, you have to do it every 90 days to 120 days. You have to remove the wool because the weather here is bad. I tried to keep her in cool as much as possible, but still you have to do that because too much wool is not good for them also. They keep growing it. I think another 20, 30, 40 days she'll be back, because I had clean shaved her and she's already filled now. And I have one more naughty girl. She's younger, Akira. And Blue is now shaved, so I don't want to show you Blue. Akira is semi-shaved, so I'll show you Akira. Can you just get Akira in? So this is Akira. She's much younger. She's 3 months now, and this in Angora rabbits is called as a color blue. So now she's a child. As she grows, she'll get lighter, and she's going to become blue color. Yeah, but I have. So even when I call her, and she actually jumps on the bed. मतलब almost 2.5, 3 feet she'll jump and she'll sit up. I'm like, वो मतलब डायरेक्ट जमीन से गोद में आ जाती है, फिर कंधे पे बैठेगी, फिर लेट जाएगी. And because this one was little bigger in size, and maybe it took time for me to get attached, for her to get attached to me. I was attached on the first day only. But this one, she's इसको बुलाते भी तो पीछे पीछे भाग के आती है. And they are beautiful animals, Angora rabbits. These are English Angoras. So you also do research on them, and they are lovely pets to have, especially if you have small children. It's a lovely pet, but you have to take care. You have to be responsible. It is a lot of work. Not a lot of work. It's the right feeding actually, because you can just keep them in a good rabbit cage. Maybe give them a good space. They need at least a 3 feet by 2.5 feet cage. Okay. So, beta, can I give Nairobi some also, because this was made for her. It was not for you. So you've already done your feeding, but think of it as a feast today. have it, no problem. Chalo chale. So consider this, and you have to eat, beta. Good girl. So whole reason now I'm sitting free, and I thought I'll share my experience with you guys. And as I learn more about these rabbits and this breed, they are lovely breed. I just discovered them recently. So as I learn more and more, I would like to share it with people. Any of those pet influencers, people like me who love pets. We all learn from each other's mistakes and experiences. So always best. I always want, and I want to tell this, that people like me who have experiences with pets, you should share it on YouTube. It's a good medium to, it helps people. It helps people. Whatever I also learned and what helped me survive, it's all through online. Because in emergency situation, there was no way. I was like dumbstruck. I didn't know what to do. So I guess it's nice if we all share our experiences and the process with the people. It helps. So now I think I'm going to take your leave. Bye for now. So this is my lovely doll. Her name is Nairobi, and this is Akira. So now, okay, stop eating now. Say bye to people. Bye bye everybody. See you. Take care.